Hello everyone! Good morning! Let's have coffee! Coffee addict na ba me? Kasi parang di maka-function well the whole day without coffee in the morning. Coffee is life talaga. Well, in behalf of all the solo parent in the universe, the Philippines rather, may tanong lang ako sa government natin at hoping through this platform, makakaabot sana sa mga kinauukulan ng concern ko. Curious lang talaga ako at sure ako na maraming mga solo parent din have the same thought or question like me. Ito po yun. Ano po ba ang silbi ng solo parent ID namin? My husband died September 2019 and I have this card pagka 2020 agad kasi someone suggest me na pwede gamitin as a supplementary ID in processing my benefits as my husband's beneficiary since isa lang po yung valid ID ko. And then, all over the internet, it was said that we solo parent will have benefits same as senior citizens like having 1K allowance and 20% discounts. Kaya minsan, riding a bus, tinanong ko yung conductor if magamit pa yung solo parent ID ko. The answer was clear. Wala pa po kaming memo tungkol dyan, ma'am. So, anyari po, that was 4 years ago and until now, wala pa ring development. Di nga pwede i-laminate ID namin to keep updated every year at nagpapapirma kami sa barangay leader. Pero pati barangay leader namin, napagod na din siguro kahihintay ng positive na balita. Kasi ngayon, wala nang update. Sayang, ganda pa naman ang IT picture ko dyan. Wala man palang pakinabang. So, itatapon na lang kaya to? Parang expire naman. Ay nako, paasa talaga ang gobyerno sa aming mga solo parent. Kaya, coffee na lang ako. Lalamig na to. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.